welcome back again to my channel. My name is Wemimo and I'm also known as Thatmumof5 and also known as TMO5 Kandiko. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. And yes, it's meant to be, yes, we are still in the vlogmas spirit, right? Still in the vlogmas spirit, but however, I thought I would come out here and show you how I am doing my own, or how I make my own gifts. Obviously, if you've been watching my vlogmas, I did say that there are some people, that there's a certain family that wanted to gift something for Christmas, but I was not quite sure about what to give them. I think in my head I know what I really want to give them, but I know they're not the kind of people who eat sweets, who eat chocolate and stuff like that. So I felt like, you know what, I can as well just make my own video, like make my own gift, right? So I did show you guys what I picked up from TK Maxx. Like, you can buy your own gift pack, and then the items you put in just depends on what you really want to put together. Some people will put together maybe skincare stuff, some people will put together maybe savory stuff, some people will put together maybe snacks. It depends on what kind of snacks, and some people will put together a mix of everything. So for me, the kind of ideal hamper gift I would want to put together for them will be like African food. When I talk about African food, I'm talking about African groceries like milk, Bonvita, biscuit, crackers, butter, and stuff like that. So with that being said, I went to TK Maxx and I got this box. Yes, there are different types of box. There's so many. There are some that are mixed out of basket, but I just have to settle for this gray one. And yes, any of the things that you could put in there could be even the things that you have in your own pantry. And maybe you want to make it more festive, you can add maybe like chocolate, maybe a little bit of white chocolate or dark chocolate. But for me, you all will see what I'm going to be adding into this hamper anyway. So this is the first time I'm trying out this hamper, so I'm just going to show you guys what I put in there, and then we'll come back and see the end result of it, right? Right, guys, so I hope you guys found this video helpful. Like, this is the first time I've ever had to actually use this pack. Look at what it looks like, you know. I'm super proud of myself, and I've not even had to break the bank. This is what it looks like. Okay, this is what the item looks like. I've not had to break the bank at all in order to put this together. You can use anything whatsoever that you have in your pantry, or even you can even achieve this with 50 pounds. Okay, it depends on your budget and what you have in place to give to people. But for me, I just felt like, you know, putting this together was just the best thing that actually needed. Okay, so yeah, I'm super proud, and I think I'm going to be doing this yearly rather than buying the expensive gift for people, or people that I know that ideally they have everything, but it's just the thought of you putting this thing together that really matters to them, as compared to like you maybe giving them loads of money or stuff like that. So guys, I hope you find this video helpful, and I hope you're going to try and make your own as well. If you do make yours, or if you do set up yours in the last minute, send your images of your hampers to me via my DM on Instagram, and I will showcase them on my YouTube community page and put your username there, so at least we can learn to do some DIYs while we save money as well. Anyway guys, this is the end of this small or little tutorial on how to make your own gift for Christmas, or even for any event at all, as long as it's the thought that it is the thought behind it that matters, and not how much you're actually spending. So for me, I'm super proud of the things I've put together, and I'm going to be taking this to the person whom I'm going to be giving it to tomorrow, and I can't wait to see the expression on their face. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you've watched till now and you've not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? So don't forget to like, drop a comment in the comment section, subscribe if you've not yet done so, turn on the post notification, share the video, and I'll have to catch up with you in my next one. All right, bye for now. Bye.